That's how you turn your Christmas turkey into a tractor. Now there's your
Taryl, are you talking about this hunk of junk?
Slippers, be careful, it's sensitive.
Oh, it's not like it's gonna start up out of nowhere and run me over.
Oh my God, Slippers, are you okay?
Oh, I'm fine, Taryl. I didn't even spill a drop of my coffee.
I mean your body, Slippers, you're a skeleton.
Oh, this'll clear right up. Say, want to tug my wishbone while I'm like this?
Can I wish you didn't exist?
Now there's your Christmas din-din.